Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited to show you my latest digi kit because this one's kind of super special to me. I have created this kit using my own holiday snaps from last year. So the kit is called Bellissimo. I'm not going to attempt to pronounce any of the words that I have included in this kit. But basically it is based on Venice and kind of love and romance of kind of Venice. I was lucky enough to go there last year. If you follow my channel kind of at all, you might recall me talking about our, really exciting, amazing kind of trip that we did last year with the children. And yeah, I've been playing around and I used some of my holiday snaps. So this is kind of a really special place in my heart for this kit. So the kit itself comprises 12 background pages. So if I give you a kind of run through of the 12 background pages, so we've got this one here. Again, they're gorgeous kind of muted tones here. And then we've got this one. So this gorgeous image here of the gondola. Got this one here. So obviously not all of these images are from my holiday snaps. Sorry, I should clarify. The images from Venice are from my holiday snaps. Other images are from, other sources, but the Venice kind of images are from my holiday. So, that's kind of what I mean by that. And I've tried to include lots of words and things. Now I'm not going to attempt to pronounce this word, but I think this word means amazing in Italian, so I have included that. Obviously here we've got love written down here in the corner, kind of collage page going on here of some of the landmarks in Venice. Then we have got this one here. This sentiment here, again, I won't attempt to pronounce that, I think means a kind of exhibition, kind of event. I kind of went on to Google and tried to translate some words, really, or expressions. Then you've got this one here, this one here, and then this one here. So as I say, there's 12 background pages all together, and again I've tried to do them kind of in an order where you could kind of print them off in a nice order so that you've got kind of quite complementary pages together. So that's those. So the kit itself would come to you in two PDF files. One is the background pages and one is what I would call the main body of the kit. So the main body contains another 13 pages. I've said this before, I'm on a kind of digital roll at the moment and I'm just going where my kind of creative kind of urges are pulling me. So at the moment it's all about the kind of digital stuff. The only thing is I never know really when to stop, so hence the kits turn out enormous. But I mean, obviously you just print off the bits that you want, so you can just print off pages that you want. So then we've got this page here of journaling cards, kind of postcards. This word here, again, I'm not going to pronounce it. I think means memories, but if I've got that wrong, I apologise now. Obviously, I kind of did this a few days ago and only just got around to actually, showcasing it now. I've included some words here that you can just fussy cut out and kind of have around the page because I thought that was kind of fun. And here I've created a ticket, created it myself, obviously a little bit like that ticket that I'm sure we've all seen in the kind of vintage images of the Paris kind of ticket. And I just obviously changed the wording for the Basilica in St Mark's Square. So that's that. So lots of gorgeous images going on there. More postcards here. And more postcards or journaling cards here as well. And this cute little banner here. So gorgeous, gorgeous images. I mean, especially if you've got any kind of special memories or kind of affinity with Venice, this would obviously kind of maybe hold a special kind of meaning for you. More kind of postcards and things here. As you can see, I kind of, you know, I just couldn't stop. And then here we've got some pockets. So here is kind of your first pocket, and you've got here Bellissimo, and again a couple more words and a little banner going across there. So more bits and pieces to use. You've got another pocket here, another little word, a little kind of either like a belly band or, you know, a journaling card there, little round one, and a ticket. Here I thought this was kind of fun. It's a little pocket, but obviously can be cut around this chap on the gondola to, you know, create it as a shaped pocket on the page. And then you've got a little ticket here in very kind of delicate muted tones. Another kind of belly band item there, kind of matching the pocket. Then here you've got a coin envelope, again, beautiful, the word, you know, beautiful, but in Italian here, and then a ticket. You've got this journal belongs to, another journaling card up there. And then here you've got a little envelope, again with one of the gorgeous images, a ticket, and a big round ticket there that you could obviously punch a hole in and kind of have that as a ticket. Here, this is one of my Burst in Blooms envelopes, which I have created here with the chap with the gondola in amongst the flowers, which I thought was kind of fun. So I did demonstrate this in, I think I demonstrated it in my Paris in Bloom kit, and also possibly the Lavender Serenity kit. Basically, you cut this out, fold it along the folds, cut this image out, and then when you fold it up, you place this image on the reverse side, and that way you get the kind of coffee dyed colouring with this on the reverse side. I hope that makes sense. And then you've got here this lovely image here of a Venetian mask, and again the word Bella. Here you've got a coin envelope and another round tag, another little tag here, my love in Italian here, and again another kind of postcard image here. And on this page you've got another pocket with some more words and items, and then on this page you've got some tickets and some more kind of Italian words running along the bottom there. So, and the tickets have got kind of suggested kind of punch holes in them. So really pretty kit, and love the colours and things of it. Again, kind of as I've been saying recently, unfortunately I have not really got time to be playing with the kit at the moment. I'm really busy with my kind of Fabulous Flowers series, and kind of at the moment I'm kind of, you know, madly making kind of digital things. So I haven't really had time to play. So, you know, I haven't played with this either, and I am looking forward to playing with it. I just thought what we could do is just to kind of give a couple of ideas. I've just got these kind of blank pages here, and then I've got a book page pocket on there. And what I thought we could do is just cut out the banner. Just cut that like that. So I hope you're all having a good day. The sun is shining. Really nice day here. Still got this horrible virus, which just is lingering about, so it's not really much fun. So I'm not kind of operating at full capacity at the moment, if that makes sense. Right. So what I've done is just literally cut this banner out, and I thought what we could do is kind of just display how it would look kind of on one of those what do you call them, book page pockets. So again, I've just got some lace trim here. Actually, I've got some wider lace trim here. Let me just grab that. So again, you just kind of have some lace trim there. This little piece down here, and then obviously we could just cut a couple of the little postcards to pop into the pocket. Like that. So obviously we could have that on there. And then just cut this one here. I mean, I do kind of love creating these digital kits because they're a bit like kind of matching curtains with bedding in your bedroom, I think. That, you know, kind of everything kind of ties together, and so it all just looks really nice when it's put together. So, you know, because they're all obviously similar theme and similar colours and things, so you could kind of have that like that, and then you could just have a little kind of bow, you know, maybe kind of on there or something. Actually, I don't think that's quite the right colour bow. I wonder if this is paler. No, again quite dark. Oh, I don't seem to have any white ones. Now I see what that person meant who referred to me being disorganised the other day. Right, so I've just got a white one here, so, you know, oops, just knocked all the stuff flying that was all beside me. So, you know, maybe not kind of the actual best, what do you call it, match, but, you know, it will do kind of just for demonstration purposes. So, I mean, that looks so pretty to me, and obviously, you know, just came together kind of really beautifully and really easily. So, yeah, I just kind of was excited to show you this kit. As I say, it kind of is very special to me because, you know, it obviously is taken, you know, or the images of Venice itself are taken from my holiday snaps. So, you know, they really are kind of something a little bit special to me. So I hope that you like it, and you know, I really, yeah, hope that you like it, and if you want to check it out, I'll include the link below. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I will see you all soon. Thanks then, bye.